I want to talk about points. You mentioned it was 8 points.
Yeah.
Okay, so on an average, let's just say here in Salt Lake, probably entry-level homes are going for around 300-ish thousand.
Yeah, you bet.
Can you share with the listeners who have no idea what points means, what 8 points translates to on a $300,000 house?
Yeah, you bet. So 1 point, or would be 1%. So if you guys that are listening at home or driving, don't pull over. Those guys that are truck drivers, would totally respect the truck drivers. You guys are like killing it right now in providing awesome supplies. So if you're listening, grab your calculator and you do $300,000 times 1%. So $300,000 times 1% is, Yoshi?
$3,000.
$3,000.
Yep.
Great. $3,000. We'll make it simpler because I'm a simple guy.
Yep.
What is 3 times 8?
24.
24. So now we just add some zeros, and that's $24,000. So would the consumer need to bring $24,000 to get the rate? No. Because there's certain regulations that prohibit certain fees, like excessive fees, to be charged to the consumer. So in that scenario where it's not getting charged to the consumer, basically they couldn't get a loan.
Got it.
So for about a week, people who were trying to write offers or were under contract couldn't get financing for that week.
Gotcha.
Yeah.
What are points today?
Yeah, good. Normal points would be par, 1%. Other things like that is what the points are today.
Perfect. Okay.